Why you have low self-esteem? The reason you have low self-esteem is because you don't respect yourself. And that was obvious, right? Self-esteem is equal to self-respect. But you don't respect yourself because you don't do what you say you will do. Mark my words. You promise yourself that you are going to start working out. Are you doing it? You promise yourself that you are going to leave porn and stop fapping. Are you doing it? You promise yourself that you will start your self-development journey, you will start meditating, you will start journaling, you will start doing all of that shit, you will start working on your business. Are you doing all of that shit? You aren't, right? You aren't doing all of that shit, and that is the single reason why you are not respecting yourself. And that is the single reason why you don't have any kind of self-esteem. Self-esteem is a feeling that you think that you are unworthy of anything in your life. If you're getting anyone's love, you're still like, oh, I'm not worthy of the love. They're so good to love me. If someone gives you, like, if you earn some kind of money and then you think, oh no, I'm not that good enough to earn this kind of money. So self-esteem is like, it's not humility. Humility is something else. I'll talk about humility in detail in some other video, but self-esteem is like, you don't think you deserve what you have. Low self-esteem is the degradation of yourself, thinking that you are unworthy and you are a piece of shit. And the only reason is because you don't do what you say you will do. When you don't keep the promises you make to yourself, how do you expect others to believe you? Like, for example, you make a promise to yourself that you are going to work out every day consistently for 2-3 months. And for example, you set the goal for 2-3 months, right? And you didn't do it. You missed 3 or 4 days, and you might think that, oh, it's not relevant. I missed, it's okay. And it is. But your brain registers those, like, those missing pieces as failures. When you promise yourself that, like in the beginning of the year, in the New Year's Eve, like New Year's resolution, I'm gonna make a New Year's resolution that you will start meditating, you will start journaling every day. But after 2 months, you stop all of that. And then you complain that I have low self-esteem. If you just fix the simple thing, just do everything you say you will do, then only your self-esteem is gonna rise. Not until then. So mark my words, like if you have promised anything to yourself, like you promise yourself that you are gonna start a YouTube channel, you will start posting on TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn or anywhere, I don't care. If you have promised yourself, do it. If you don't do it, you're only going to harm yourself, no one else. You might promise others that, oh, I'm going to become an Instagram influencer. They don't care about it, bro. They will only care about it when they say results, and they won't see any kind of results if you just give up. And you know what? They will start teasing you. They will tell you, oh, you're not doing, you told you're going to become an Instagram influencer, you're not making any kind of content. And then you will start feeling bad, and you will start feeling hurt. And other people are going to say, oh no, don't force yourself to do those things. But you know what? Why you are feeling bad? Because you are not in alignment with your words and your values. When you're not in alignment with your words, you know that you want to do that, but you're not doing that because you're lazy or you procrastinate. And the reason you are lazy and you procrastinate is because you have poor mental health. And I'm going into a very different topic right now, but it is like a paradox. You have poor mental health because you don't do the activities like meditation and journaling and contemplation and many other things, and going to the gym. You don't do all of this. And you don't do all of this because you have poor mental health. Both of these are correlated. So you just need to start doing the things that you have promised yourself. Because if you don't do it, you are only going to degrade your value in your life, and others are going to also think you are a piece of shit because you think you are a piece of shit. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, subscribe to us, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.